Welcome to Dine Story. In this video, we will see the recipe of delicious Mango Mastani. Let's start. We want 2 mangoes. To get 1 cup of mango pulp and 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 glass of chilled milk, 2 scoops of ice cream and few ice cubes. Let's start chopping the mangoes, as we need 1 cup of mango pulp. Without the water, put it in the grinder and take the 1 cup of mango pulp. Here our mango pulp is ready. In the blender, add the 1 cup of mango pulp, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 scoops of ice cream. Finally, add the 1 glass chilled milk. While you blend, add the ice cubes, around 2 to 3 ice cubes, and blend it well for a few seconds. The delicious Mango Mastani is ready now. Pour it in your favorite glass. Add few mango pieces. Then on the top, add 1 scoop of ice cream. Add some more mango pieces. Now the delicious Mango Mastani is ready. Save it right away and enjoy. If you like the recipe, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with friends and family. See you on next video. Thank you so much for watching.